Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, yun yung clandestine laboratory. Yung Arlene Apartment, Mr. Chair, is doon nakatira sila Alan C. At doon dumiretso yung dalawang chemist galing sa Maynila papuntang Davao. So naging place of interest namin yung Arlene Apartment. Yung Agdao, Mr. Chair, doon naglalagi si Mr. Kim, one of those who died during the raid, doon naglalagi si Alex Kim. May bibilihin, tapos pupunta doon with yung aluminum truck niya. So, point of interest pa rin namin yung Agdao. Yung Bunawan, Mr. Chair, is, I believe, owned by Alex Kim. At doon naman sila magkasama ni Jong Pilapil. And that Bunawan, the Polytex Corporation, ito po yung foam factory nila Alan C. at Jed Pilapil. Na andun, Mr. Chair, doon namin nakuha yung napakalaking air scrubber. Air scrubber is walang use on industrial. Ang air scrubber is only used para sa Shabu Laboratory. And tinanong namin ang Amerikano tungkol dito, pinicturan, actually bumisita doon yung Amerikano, ang sabi niya, this will be used for mega laboratory somewhere. Kasi sinabi namin na andito na yung Dumoy. No, it will not be used there. It will be used somewhere. So maybe they are preparing those equipment, the air scrubber, somewhere para makapag-set up ng another laboratory, Mr. Chair. And luckily, yung Agdao, Mr. Chair, naandun lahat yung mga precursors, controlled precursors and essential chemicals na panggawa ng shabu. At dun sa Polytex International, Mr. Chair, is naandun yung air scrubber, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. And Dumoy was an actual operating lab.
Actual laboratory, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, just to drive the point earlier po, no, you mentioned that you had an organic membership in your... This was not PIDEA yet po, no, at the time? This was the predecessor?
Wala pang actual PIDEA dyan, Mr. Chair, kasi kagagawa lang ng PIDEA, 2002 eh. 2004, pulis pa po yung galing NARCOM, yun yung naging PIDEA. Tapos ang ginamit ko po doon ay members din
Follow for more.
ng
See
Police
previous
Anti-Crime
videos
and
at
Emergency
YT Verse channel.
Response and some of the personnel from Regional Mobile Group 11, Mr. Chair.
So this